I'm talking to Brittany Wolferts, the older sibling of...
I'm older than Sydney and Danny.
My main reason for coming down to see your guys' rally was to ask the question, how were the girls arrested with your mom if your mom didn't know where they were and wasn't holding them with her? That's, I think, the biggest question that people don't understand about the situation right now. How does that happen if, in fact, that she didn't know where they were at all?
So they were found together when they were found in an apartment in Pleasant Grove. And so she had been with them, but I think it's important to know the situation of how it played out. My sisters ran away for the second time on July 17th, 2014. That's when they disappeared. And then in mid-August, my mom disappeared. And I didn't know exactly how that happened because I was just kind of left here. I didn't know if she was with them or not. After about a 6-month period, I think I just assumed along with everyone else that they were together. And I was hoping that they were safe. But anyways, I guess what had happened, my mom has told me that the girls contacted her. I haven't had a chance to talk to Sydney and Danny, but that's what happened. They contacted her and...
Okay. So to reiterate, you're what you know after talking to your mom, and there, obviously, you don't live with your mom, so there's going to be a little bit of gap of information in between, and so that's how that makes more sense. So your sisters had contacted your mom, and then she was with them when the police came, and they just cited her with custodial interference and with housing fraud because they thought that your sisters were living with your mom, right? Is that what I'm safe to assume? That's where their charge is coming from?
It's a little different.
Okay.
But I can clarify that
Sure,
if you'd
sure.
like. So
And again, I don't want to ask you stuff that you don't want to divulge.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean, it's all public information. I think the police have stated her charges and stuff everywhere, so... Yeah, so she was charged with custodial interference for having the girls being the non-custodial parent and for housing fraud, which has to be cleared up because before she left, she had sent in a letter saying that she was gonna be taken off housing. I think that was like right around the time she disappeared or even a little after. So this agent from housing starts coming to me saying your mom and you are committing housing fraud because you're still in housing. And I said, well, pretty sure I'm not, but I sent in an email just to clarify and said, please take me off any housing, any of my mom's housing if that's the case. And that was about a month after she disappeared. So that's gonna need to be cleared up. And then as well as she was also charged with filing a false police report, which is very confusing because that didn't ever happen. She filed a report in early July when the girls first ran and had been gone for a few hours, and then the second time they ran, because they kept saying they were gonna run, she didn't file one right away, and so and then she disappeared a month later. So that's the case with that charge.
Okay, well, thanks for talking to me, and we'll talk to your mom next.
Okay.